So, good morning mga kasyonatics. So, this is Coach Mike ulit. So, meron akong one-on-one training session with Camela. Hello, Camela. Ayan. So, we'll see kung ano yung skills ni Camela for today. Thank you! Ayan po, so one-on-one training session po namin with Camela. Okay. Sige. Sige lang. Sige lang, go. Baba niyo yung pet nyo. Yan. Okay, next. Go. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Go. Okay. Receive. Left. Receive. Okay. Go. Next. Go. Go. Yan. Okay. Very good, Camela. Good. Yeah, nice one. Good. Tama yan. Go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, sapa. Go. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. May kasama kamay. Ha? Ready? Go. Go na. Go. 1, 2, ready. Diba? Go. Ready? 1, 2, toma. 3. Wait. Ha? Okay. Dalawa tayo. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Okay. Yan. Okay. Sama yung kamay. Sama yung kamay. Go. Okay. Good. Go. Tapos sa ilalim ng tuloy. Very good. Go. Go kami na lang. So, adjust mo yung ball ha. Kung sa ilalim. Yan. Very good. Go. Yan. Wait, go na lang.
So guys, ngayon si Coach nagtuturo ng service sa bagong trainee dito sa Seanwo Sports. This is one-on-one training po kay Coach.
So, ayan po ang aming one-on-one. Si Adrian po ang aking assistant today. Tagahagis ng bola. Yan, si Camela. Okay, touch. Okay. Back pedal. Yan, sige, back pedal, touch. Okay. Yan po ay very basic. Sige lang. Taas lang. Okay. Okay, touch. Front. Okay. Good. Okay. Side step. Okay. Kuha. Yan. Side step. Ulit. Side step. Camela. Okay. Receive. Yan. Okay. Back pedal. Good. Bilis, go. Yan. Okay. Nakailang rounds? 2. 5. 5 rounds. Okay. Ayan po. So, puro side step at saka receive lang po muna kami today. Yan. Okay. Good. Okay. Nice one, Camela. Very good. Very good, Camela. Good. Ayan po, so tapos na po ang aming one-on-one training session with Camela. Magko-cool down na lang po siya. Ayan, so thank you so much po. Ayan, so message lang po kayo sa aming page sa Shonu Sports po para kapag gusto niyo po magpa-schedule ng one-on-one session. Thank you very much.